They say the greatest innovations come from, I wonder what if? Well, here's one that's changing the very definition of healthcare. What if your next doctor wasn't human? A machine that diagnoses better than the best doctors in the world, doesn't sleep, doesn't make mistakes, and has access to every medical journal ever written. Sounds like a sci-fi fantasy, right? Well, it's closer than you think. Hi, and welcome to this channel. Today, we're diving into the world of AI doctors. These artificial intelligence systems are not just diagnosing diseases. They're doing it faster and more accurately than humans. They can detect early warning signs of cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's before symptoms even appear. It's like having a superhero in the yard who never gets tired or misses a beat. And guess what? You don't have to wait until you're blue in the face to get a diagnosis. These AIs can analyze thousands of scans and tests in seconds, potentially saving countless lives. This begs some urgent questions. Should we trust these AIs with our health? Can we keep our personal data private in an age of smart machines? And what happens when an AI doctor makes a wrong call? Join us as we explore the incredible potential of AI in healthcare and the ethical challenges we must address before we hand over the stethoscopes to robots. Okay, so let's talk about how these AI doctors actually work. First things first, they're powered by deep learning algorithms, which are basically advanced math tools that help computers learn from tons of data. In the case of AI doctors, this means they've been trained on massive amounts of patient data, including medical histories, test results, and imaging. Once they're trained, these AIs can analyze a new patient's data and make a diagnosis or recommend a course of action. For example, Google's DeepMind AI. I can diagnose over 50 eye diseases with specialist-level accuracy just from retinal scans. That's a game changer for people who don't have access to quality eye care. These AIs are also great at spotting patterns and making predictions. They can analyze a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment to create a personalized treatment plan. This helps improve patient outcomes and reduces the harmful side effects of treatments that don't fit everyone. We're moving away from the one-size-fits-all approach to healthcare and toward a future where treatment is as unique as you are. But that's not all. AI is also revolutionizing how we find and test new drugs. Developing a new drug can take 10 to 15 years and billions of dollars. But AI is changing that by using computer simulations to test how compounds interact with the body and predict their effectiveness. During the COVID-19 pandemic, AI played a key role in accelerating research and development of vaccines and treatments. Companies like Benevalentine and Insulin AI to find new ways to treat everything from cancer to Alzheimer's. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. There are ethical concerns around AI doctors that we must address. First, AI systems can be biased. If they're trained on skewed data, they may perpetuate and even amplify existing health disparities. For example, if an AI is trained on data that shows that women are less likely to have heart attacks than men, it may wrongly conclude that women don't need the same level of cardiac care as men. Not cool. Second, AI doctors raise privacy concerns. To function effectively, they need massive amounts of personal health data, which raises questions about who owns that data and how it's protected. And third, there's the issue of accountability. If an AI doctor makes a mistake, who's responsible? Is it the doctors who prescribe the treatment? Is it the AI developer or the machine itself? We need urgent global frameworks and regulations to address these ethical challenges. Despite these concerns, AI is poised to play an increasingly important role in medical research. AI can simulate the development of diseases in the lab and help researchers find new approaches to treatment. I can also enhance clinical trials by monitoring patients in real time and analyzing data to predict outcome. This could help researchers find new and better ways to treat diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Plus, AI is helping to grow the field of personalized medicine, which tailors treatment to a patient's individual needs. AI is also making it easier to study rare diseases, which affect millions of people worldwide but are often neglected by the pharmaceutical industry. The future of healthcare is smart, personalized, and connected. Hospitals will use AI to monitor patients' vitals in real time, preventing complications before they become critical. Wearable devices will alert emergency services if they detect a stroke or other serious issue before symptoms even emerge. And AI will help us manage appointments, prescriptions, and other aspects of healthcare delivery, streamlining the system for everyone involved. Doctors will have more time to spend with patients instead of pay for work. In the end, AI won't replace doctors, but it will empower them to do their jobs better. If we invest in these technologies responsibly and address the challenges of data bias, privacy, and ethics, AI can help create a world where everyone has access to the best possible healthcare. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI with your life? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the most exciting innovations and discoveries from around the world. Until next time, stay curious.